In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an arrow shape in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a simple spreadsheet or creating a detailed report, adding arrow shapes can help highlight important data and make your information more visually appealing. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets and get to the spreadsheet where you'd like to insert an arrow shape. If you haven't already, log into your Google account and navigate to Sheets through your preferred web browser. Once you're in, open your existing document or create a new one where you will be adding your arrow shapes. Once you've got your spreadsheet ready, look at the menu at the top of the page and find the Insert tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Your next step is to hover over the Drawing option within this menu. This will open a side panel and you'll want to click on New. This will open a drawing canvas where you can create and customize your arrow shape. On the drawing canvas, you'll see various tools you can use for your shape. Focus on the toolbar at the top and click on the shape icon, which looks like a small geometric shape. This will drop down a menu where you can choose from various shapes. To create an arrow, navigate to Arrows in this menu. You'll find an assortment of arrows such as bent arrows, curved arrows, and straight arrows. Select the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the type of arrow, draw it onto your canvas by clicking and dragging your mouse. You can adjust the size of the arrow by clicking and dragging the corners of the shape. If you need further customization, such as changing the color or line thickness, you can do this by using the options on the toolbar to adjust the stroke weight, fill color, and border color. When your arrow looks just the way you want it, click Save and Close at the top right corner of the drawing canvas. This will exit the drawing mode and insert your customized arrow shape directly into your spreadsheet. You can move the arrow around by clicking and dragging it to the desired cell or area on your sheet. That wraps up our tutorial on inserting arrow shapes in Google Sheets. With these steps, you can now make your spreadsheets more dynamic and visually informative. By using arrows to emphasize key points or indicate direction, you're sure to make your data presentation clearer and more engaging. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.